Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you this makeup look which I have done for Karwa Chauth, and if you want to know how I get this look then please continue watching. Now for color correction I'm gonna use this concealer from PAC, and this is the exact match of my skin tone. So I'm just gonna cover this darkness around my eyes. Now you can see this has instantly cancelled out my darkness. For foundation today I'm gonna try this new foundation from Wet n Wild, and it is their Photo Focus foundation. I have heard a lot about this foundation, so I thought of trying this. And because this is a Karwa Chauth makeup and I want my skin to look glowy and dewy, so I'm gonna mix this illuminator, and this one is from Swiss Beauty. You all know how much I love this. And I'm just gonna apply some dots.
And now I'm just gonna blend it like this, and if you can hear this tinkling sound, that's my dog.
So you can see how beautiful skin is looking, like so radiant. So that's why I like to mix my foundation with any illuminator or liquid highlighter. For concealer I'm gonna use the same one, LA Girl concealer. This is like my old love, and you can see how instantly it has brightened up my under eyes. So now when my base makeup is done, I'm gonna set it and lock it using some powder, and today I'm gonna use this Lakme 9 to 5 loose powder, and I'm in the shade Natural. It's a very fine finishing powder and it is like illuminating as well, which is like apt for your Karwa Chauth look. And also it is a very lightweight powder. Swirl my brush into the powder and apply it all over my face. So for contouring I have this Maybelline V Face Duo Stick, and this is how this product looks like, and I'm gonna try this for the first time. So just look at this, how beautifully it has provided that shadow on my face. So yeah, it is really easy to blend this contour, so creamy, and it gives you so natural finish. Like you can see this shadow on my face, very natural. So here I have this one from Nykaa, and I'm gonna mix them too because I don't know what shade I must use. So I'm gonna mix them too. This is like a baby pink color, like very Barbie pink kind of color, and this is some crimson sort of color. So I'm gonna mix them too. So for my brow I'm again gonna use this Wet n Wild retractable pencil because I freaking love this. You have full control over this pencil and it gives you a really natural kind of brows. So now for my transition shade I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty palette. This is not mine, I borrowed it from my sister. She has some amazing makeup stuff, like high end, and I freaking love this palette. Like look at this palette. I'm gonna use this shade which is somewhat brown and mauvish kind of color. And now I'm gonna directly jump onto a darker color, which is this one. Like it is a mix of purple and pink, and I'm just gonna deepen my outer corners with this. So just touching it like this way. Now I'm gonna blend it, making it a V shape. So just touching it on my outer corner like this way, just touching it and dragging it a little upwards and close to my lash line.
And now the palette I was talking about.
Eye Magic. Oh my god, such a classy packaging, and like the moment I saw this palette I was in love with this palette. Like look at these glitters, man, like so beautiful, so beautiful. And I'm gonna pick this golden shade from this palette. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this, like super excited. And she hasn't used it yet. This is how sisters are like. She's my elder sister.
Can you see that?
Like, let me zoom you a little in.
So this is the closest that I can come, and look at this. Wow. Go back now.
And now for my lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with this royal blue kajal, and this is from Lakme Iconic, because I want to pair it like according to the combo I'm wearing, like pink, blue and golden. And now I'm gonna take this palette, which is from Urban Choice by In Color. You must have heard of this brand, In Color. And this is how this palette looks like. Too gorgeous. I think this will work for me. And now for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the same palette that I have shown you. And from this, I'm gonna use this color. This is like a very baby pink color. And I'm gonna take it on my fan brush, and you'll see how pretty this highlighter is. It is so pretty. And you get it for rupees 250 or 300 only. That's it. It is that inexpensive. And you can build it up as well. Like you can see, I'm just touching it, and look at the pigmentation it gives. Like, look at the tip of my nose. And now I'm gonna top it with one more shade, which is from Sugar Cosmetics. So this is the lipstick, and the shade is Hot Shot 43. Alright guys, so that's it with this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and this video is kinda helpful for you all. It is a super easy tutorial, so if you try this, then do not forget to tag me, and if you have any other query or recommendation, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.